Yes. Hello, guys. How are you? Hope you're fine. Today, I'm going to show you where we get Forex news from. Yes, where we get Forex news from. You have heard of Forex news? Okay, they are like economic news about the economy. Yes, where we get them from and which news are impact, which news are less impact. I'm going to show you that. Yes, stick around, please. So you go to first you go to google.com. Then here in the search bar, put Forex Factory. Put Forex Factory. So click here, the first website. So this website, uh, Forex Factory, when you click it, click calendar. Calendar. So this calendar will bring you the Forex news. For example, today is Friday, 31st January 2025. So you see at this time, all day there's Germany like what CPI. Then at 5:50 p.m. according to your time, it syncs according to your time. 5:50 p.m. it's GDP. It affects the Canadian dollar. This is the currency it affects. This is how high the impact is. If the impact is in red, that means it affects it highly. If the impact is in orange, less. If the impact is in yellow, less effect. If the impact is in gray, don't worry about that one. It has no effect. Yes. So the more red, the more impact. Yellow, less impact. Orange, less impact. This gray, less impact. So the timing, it syncs according to your time zone. For example, let me show you here the time zone. If you want to change the time zone, you can change it from here. For example, me, I'm in Abu Dhabi. It shows Abu Dhabi +4. So you can change your time zone in a country and you change from here. Yes. So what's the importance of this high impact news? The red impact news, they affect the the currency. For example, CAD or USD. They affect it highly. For example, the market moves so much. You remember, the news moves the market most. Yes, people like speculating according to the news. Yes. So I think that's it. So this website is also very important. For example, if you want to see, like, for example, check news, like you can check news forward or backwards. Let's say this Friday, Feb 7, 2025. You can let's take it out. You apply. So here there is NFP everything Feb 7. So you can go forward or go backwards. If you want to go to Feb 7, 2024, you do like that. So this is backwards. So this website is also important because you can check news about traders, columns. For example, now you see, let's say calendar. You can check trades. It's very good. Like you meet fellow traders. There are many here. There are so many here. For example, here 11K people online like that. Hmm? You can check what people talk about, what they think. It's a good website, so please use it. Yeah, I think that's all. If there's anything you need to know, let me know. Yes, please follow and subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.